Hello everyone, this is the third day of our trip and today we are going finally to Transfaragasan. It's in the Carpathian Mountains in Romania. The Honda is ready. We're gathering here with my friends Naiden, Ivan and his wife Irena. We're waiting for the guy with the Honda Hornet with his son Marcel and his son Nick. We're ready and let's go. Naiden with the GS and myself with my Honda Transalp 650, my second love after my lovely fiancée Lovisa. It will be cold up there, that's why we put the lining on. I got the sweatshirt underneath my jacket, and the most important, I really hope it's not gonna rain, because yesterday when we were passing Transalpina, which is the highest mountain pass in Romania, it was raining a lot, so we hope today it will be nice. Okay, for some reason, instead of super view, I had the white lens mode, but it's not a big deal. You just have a little bit more narrow picture so far. But now it's gonna be the interesting part. We're getting into the belly of the Carpathian Mountains. I can feel we're going higher and higher. I don't know what the actual altitude here is, but it's at least 1200 meters. On the top it will be 2045, 42. Naiden with the GS. Naiden, cheers. Actually, this is the guy who organized this trip, and we are here thanks to him. Because you know, when it comes to going somewhere, yeah, everyone likes the idea, everyone wants to do it, but no one wants to take the responsibility and organize it, to book hotels and stuff. So I really appreciate it. Unfortunately, it's yeah, it's very foggy here. Otherwise the scenery would be spectacular, I'm sure. It is what it is. The most important is to enjoy the ride, to enjoy the moment, and to go back home safe. I hope this this fog will disappear. The fog is going away. Now we are talking. Very nice. I'm really happy that the fog is going away, so that I can film all this. Снимам. Много е добре. Перфектно е. И това все още е началото. Виж колко се завой нагоре. The plan for today is to go to Russe, to cross the Bulgarian border, go to Bulgaria and spend the night in the Bulgarian city Russe. It will be too late to go home tonight, so we don't want to take risk and ride in the night time. Last night we slept in Sebeș, very nice town, and the host was nice. We slept in a guest house. Look at this. Do you see all the curves going zigzag? I apologize for not have read anything about this place. Usually when I go somewhere I get familiar with the place, with the region. This time I had a lot of work and I didn't have time for preparation really. тук съм окей, мисля. Do you see the snow up there? And it's the middle of July, so Tenere 700, very nice motorcycle, amazing. Look how much snow there is here. Това ли е върха тук на тази част? Като гледам май да. Okay, we'll continue. There is no place to stop here. I think it's only paid parkings and maybe they charge a lot. So I think this was the highest spot of this side of the peak. So now we're going to the other side through the tunnel. Let's see which side is better. We're on the other side now. Oh my god. Значи може би е по-добре отколкото очаквах. По-добре отколкото очаквах. Аз имах високи очаквания.
Значи сте се оправдали, че и малко повече.
Да, даже ги надвиших. We took some photos and now we are going downhill. Transfaragasan on the south side. Amazing place. We saw a lot of riders from all around the world, mostly European countries though. We saw a lot of German riders, Czech, Italian, French. And what I noticed yesterday, like 8 out of 10 motorbikes were BMW 1250 GS. It's a very nice motorcycle, I'm not gonna lie, but I expected to see some Africa Twins, some Teneres, some Triumph Tigers. No, only BMW. Maybe this is the best. What would you say, guys? Please let me know in the comments. I'm happy with my old Honda though. Very, very nice and simple motorcycle. Yes, it's not that powerful, it's not that nice looking, it doesn't have all these systems, electronics, gadgets, but it does the job. Simple engine, simple fuel system, it's a carburetor though. Yes, the fuel consumption, it's a bit higher, but not that much, maybe 1 liter more. KTM, Adventure and Honda Hornet, just like my friend in front of me. He rides Honda Hornet, the bigger engine, 900 cubic meters, 929, I think that was the capacity. Correct me if I'm wrong. There is a bear on the road. Let me try to capture it. Okay, it should be somewhere here. Къде е мечката, бе?
Мечката?
Къде е?
Ето е, там долу.
Ой, I hope it's not aggressive.
Къде се направи селфи с нея?
Hello. 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 Ой. Hey. We found another beautiful place here. It's a reservoir. And the rocks over there have very interesting formations. That was it. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please like this video and subscribe for my channel. I appreciate your support. Have a nice day.